Part 2 of Jigsaw. Where did you take me? You fell into my trap. What are you doing, Jigsaw? Why did you trap me here? Wait, you think I'm Jigsaw? I'm just his guard. Then who's Jigsaw? Jigsaw is just... my leg! No one speaks about me. You know, if someone speaks about me, this is what happens. No! So Jigsaw. If you want to know who Jigsaw is, you found the right guy. Actually no, I don't want to know. Now you die. Run! I'm getting kissed. Yes, my glitch. Then just running. Oh, what's everyone looking at? I've never seen something like this in my life. Me either. Look, kid. There's nothing to see here. This is messed the f up. Ah! Where am I? Huh? Why is it you? Hello, player. If you're here today, one of my minions has knocked you out to come here. Today we're going to be playing a little game called a obby. If you complete the obby in 10 minutes, you will earn a prize and you can escape. Why did you knock me out? I just made a game like 2 years ago, I think. I can't remember anything. My head hurts. That's why I just said someone hit your head. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, start. First you have to escape the rope. I escaped. Now you have to jump down there. Come on, push myself. Come on. Come on, get down. I finally made it down. Now, this bit. Yeah. Oops. You have died. You failed. You're crazy. You just killed that player. I know the rules already. We just need to make it to the end. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Come on, I need to go fast. I got 10 minutes. Oh, that one hurt. Come on. Oh, my leg. Just go. I can make it. I can make this jump. Come on, pull myself back up. Batman, now it's your turn. This should be easy. Batman. Let me lose my wings. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. No. 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 I made it. I made it. Sorry, but I don't make players win. I make them lose. Whoa. Do, 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 do. Ah. Oh. Oh. I can fly. We have one player who has won. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.